Create a detailed or enlarged view. You can go to select this option, detailed view. If you look at the cursor, it will tell you to select a parent view. So let's say in this case, we want to select the left side view as the parent view of our detail view. And then it will ask you, if you look at the cursor, it will ask you to specify center point of the detail boundary. I'll use the center of this particular area on the left side view and click and open this up. And click for the outer boundary of the circle. And what this will do is, using this scale, it will create a detailed or enlarged view of that area. So I'll go ahead and place this view approximately here on the drawing sheet and click on OK. So it basically takes what we have the circle around and creates a larger view of that. The major focus of this view would be to dimension these holes, these threaded holes that are in this area. Instead of putting those dimensions on the left side view, I could dimension those holes in a detailed or enlarged view. Since the focus of this view is going to be on the threaded holes, I could actually remove any of the hidden lines that are here, just so not to confuse this drawing. So if I wanted to do a right mouse button click on that view and go to edit view, I could change the style of this by selecting one of these options here. So if I select this option, you will see the hidden lines will disappear. So I'll click on close, and then you can add linear dimensions and hole and thread notes to dimension the holes in this view. And you can also add the center lines to the holes as well, so you can use those center lines as references. You can do the same thing for the slot that is in this top view. So if we wanted to create a detailed view of that, we would select create a detailed view, select the top view as the parent view. And then the cursor is going to ask you to specify the center point of this view. So I'll kind of put my cursor right in the middle of this slot, click, and open this up to just focus on that particular area and click, and then place this enlarge the detail view and click on OK. And again, to hide the hidden lines, just right click on the view and go to edit view and select this second option, because the purpose of this detail view will focus on dimensioning the length and the depth and the vertical location of the slot. If you're going to use a detail view to dimension the slot here, then you can delete the dimensions that you have on the top view in reference to that slot. So that would be these dimensions here. So you would delete these dimensions. You would not want to repeat those dimensions. The same would be true for this other detail view. If you're going to dimension the horizontal and vertical location, as well as the diameter for the threaded holes in the detail view, then you can delete these dimensions on the left side view. You would not need to have those dimensions there because you're going to put them on this detail view, which is what the purpose of the detail view is.